Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to share stunning yellow kurti designs for day 5 of Navratri, that is on October 19. So welcome to the Navratri fashion series. On day 5, we bring you a vibrant collection of simple yet elegant yellow kurti designs that are perfect for celebrating this auspicious occasion. Yellow symbolizes happiness and positivity, making it an ideal choice for the fifth day of Navratri. In this video, we will showcase a variety of yellow kurti styles from traditional to contemporary to help you look your best during the festive season. Whether you are attending a dandiya night or a family gathering, these kurtis will make you stand out with their timeless charm. Our easy to follow fashion guide will provide you with styling tips and outfit ideas to make your Navratri celebrations even more special. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our festive fashion updates. Let's make day 5 of Navratri unforgettable with these stunning yellow kurti designs. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.